I would love to visit this church. I've actually walked by it a few times before, um, on my previous trip here to Rome, but it looks like there's something going on inside that's for clergy only. And I just visited one of the other two churches I wanted to visit before. One of them is closed down for renovations and repairs, and the other one is not open until 9 o'clock, so I have another hour, but by then I won't be in this region. I'm trying to visit all of the papal basilicas while I still can. I mean, that's the actual purpose of me being here this year on this Jubilee.
Oh.
Imagine how old this arch is. Thank you for sharing in my experience. If you enjoyed my video, please consider subscribing to my channel. I would truly appreciate you sharing my video on your social network, as it helps my channel grow. Be sure to check my playlist to see different categories on my exciting adventures I'm sharing with the world. Life is an adventure. Let's share this experience together.